Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're diving into the versatile and stylish tree bookshelf. A 9-tier floor standing marvel perfect for organizing your CDs, movies, and books while adding a unique touch to your living space. This industrial-style bookshelf combines the strength of metal with the rustic charm of high-grade MDF wood, providing a sturdy and reliable solution for all your storage needs. Say goodbye to clutter and protect your precious books from damage with this innovative design that keeps everything within easy reach and neatly displayed. With its high capacity, this bookshelf is perfect for any room, whether it's your bedroom or living room, offering ample space without taking up too much room. Assembly is a breeze with all necessary accessories and step-by-step instructions included, and our friendly service ensures you can buy with confidence, knowing we stand behind our product. Just a quick tip. Be gentle when attaching the top screw to avoid drilling through the board. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more product insights. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.